This is the walk to the falls. Nagpapa-fall si Niagara Falls. Ayun yung dalawa, oh. Pareha sila naka-red. Hola! La 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 la. It's so nice. You can hear the waterfalls from here.
Sige.
This is my kind of weather. It's not hot. I can stay here forever, mga besh. Lilipat na kami sa Niagara on the lake. Dito na lang pala ako nagtira. Ang ganda dito, mga besh. It's so nice. And it's like, it's a smaller city in Ontario. Ano siya, hindi siya malaki. So hindi siya spread out. Very, ano siya, compact city. And madaming puntahan. Malapit lang din sa Toronto. Uuwi ka ng Philippines, you know. Cloudy nga lang today, but you know, it's okay. Niagara Falls!
Ang ganda rin ang view dyan, no?
Oo. Oh, hola! Ihaw! Ganda!
Anong masasabi niyo sa kabanatang ito?
Experience. This is really one of a lifetime experience, you know?
Ayan, no? Video.
We're going on a boat tour.
Yan na isa, pabalik na. Pabalik na to, oh.
Oh, tita. Pabalik na to.
In 1954, a large section broke off and fell near the end of Prospect Point. Next is Bridalveil Falls, the smallest of the three waterfalls. It is located on the American side, just to the north of the American Falls, separated by Luna Island. Goat Island is much larger and separates the American and Bridalveil Falls from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls. The height of Bridalveil Falls is 181 feet or 55 meters and remains the smallest waterfall compared to its two counterparts. Niagara Falls, more specifically, is the name of three waterfalls: the American, the Bridalveil, and the Horseshoe Falls. The Canadian side of Niagara Falls, with the highest flow rate and natural beauty located between Goat Island and Taylor Rock, is known as the Horseshoe Falls.
Dami
As
ibon,
the
no?
natural wonder of the
Seagull.
world, the Horseshoe
Seagull.
Falls name derives from the crescent or horseshoe shape of the crest line. And the city of Niagara Falls, in all its natural beauty, continues to be a holiday spot for millions of visitors from all over the world each year. Geological studies and the history of Niagara Falls indicate that thousands of years ago, the falls were located 11 kilometers downriver from its current location. Erosion was a major issue associated with the Canadian Falls. The average rate of erosion for Niagara Falls was as much as 1 meter per year until the early 1950s. Since then, the water diversion channels and canals used for generating electricity have decreased the water flow, reducing the erosion of Niagara Falls, and to this day, Niagara Falls remains a clean and significant source of hydroelectric power. There are over 500 waterfalls in the world total, but Niagara Falls is the biggest waterfall in the world for volume of water flowing at an average of 750,000 gallons per second. Niagara Falls' interesting facts include the white foam floating on the water is dissolved limestone and is created naturally due to the massive erosion forces of falling water. The height of the Canadian Falls is 170 feet or 52 meters. The estimated crest line is 2,200 feet or 670 meters wide,
Meron din
and the
pala
depth
doon, no?
of the
Pwede
river
ka
at the base of the falls is 184 feet or 56 meters deep. Witness the awesome natural beauty and power of Niagara Falls.
Hawak, hawak. Ben. Hold yung phone. Oh my God! We are here! OMG!
Yung mga ibon, no? Tingnan mo. Wow!
OMG! Oo nga! Oh my God!
Okay lang.
Ang saya! Balik na tayo!
O ngayon, tayo naman. Nandito kami parang bagyo.